This is episode 1, day 1 of me trading options on a $10,000 Robinhood account. This is real money. This is not funded. This is purely me deciding that it's going to be a great idea and I'm going to make millions and millions of dollars. So, this is live account. I'm trading the options on my phone and just have the market right there so you guys can see right here. Again, I've only been doing this for a few months, but I decided it would be kind of fun to document this to see what I can do. If we go to my screen right here, I have marked out the pre-market low. I have out here the pre-market high. So pre-market low is blue. Pre-market high is yellowish orange. This greenish yellow is my demand zone. This is yesterday's low. And then all the way up here is yesterday's high. So we are definitely down this morning. Go to my little presentation that I made. So CPI came in hot. CPI is the Consumer Price Index. Oil is still high. The 10-year yield is near 4.4%. And then Bowman is speaking today. Those are the big things happening in the news that's going to affect SPY as of today. So slightly leaning towards a put. If you don't know what a put is a bet that the market is going to go down. You think, hey, this looks like shit. I'm going to put money towards the fact that I think the market's going to continue going down. That's a put. A call is like, wow, the market's looking fantastic. I think the market's going to go up. So I'm going to bet money that it's going to go up. And then boom, you make money. So the bullish support of the day is that SPY and QQ are still near their recent highs. And then, AI, large cap momentum has been strong. So that's good, I suppose. But the bearish pressure is outweighing the calls. So we are looking for puts more than likely today. So we are about 1 minute away from the trades. Again, this is a live account. This is me. That is our cue that the market is starting. 10,000. All right. Right off the bat, we are headed down. I haven't bought any options yet. Probably going to wait the first 15 minutes to see what happens before I do anything. So we're about one candle away from entering. It's pretty close. I maybe could have entered right there, but probably should have entered right there. This is what I'm saying. I'm still new. I'm still brand new to this. So I can be mad as much as I want, but that's not really going to do anything. Yeah, that was stupid. I probably should have entered on that once it retested. Just as I said, learning moment. Absolute learning moment. So we're climbing back up. If it retests, I'm going to go for a put. So one thing to notice that even if this is turning green, the volume amount is slowly going down. You can kind of see like lots of buy pressure right here, less here, even less here. Okay, so we're climbing back up towards VWAP. This might reverse. So plans switched. So it looks like the first 10-ish minutes have occurred. And looks like price reclaimed back above the VWAP, so we're probably gonna have to wait. I don't want to enter in a put or a call just yet. I want confirmation before I do anything. If we zoom out, still got a long way to go for the, oh, not as far now. It's like we are reclaiming. And we are climbing back up towards that demand zone. So right here is a slight doji, which could mean a slight change in direction, which is probably why it's starting off with red. But it could easily switch back up to green and push above here. So we're going to hold off on a trade for now. Okay. You know, as much as I would love to buy a put right now, I need confirmation that that's going to continue. Because price already pushed back above the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price. So people are still willing to pay more. This is now more of a bearish sign. So we're still sitting right around the VWAP. I'm probably going to wait for a pullback slightly up. But see, the volume is still down. This is why this is all a learning moment here. I want to chase it so bad, but I'm not. Alright, I just need price to reject right here and I'll feel so much better. Come up, come up, come up, then reject. So again, volume is slowly going down. Buyers are gonna step in. And then I enter. Is the goal. Okay, so price is climbing back up towards the VWAP. So this white one is EMA 9, this is the VWAP. I just need a rejection. That's all I'm asking. I want to enter, but I don't want to chase. It's so far off of the VWAP that it would be stupid. That's such a huge gap. I need to wait for confirmation before I do anything. As badly as I would love to enter, I need to be smart. This price is consolidating right here, which is exactly what it did before a huge breakout up. Hopefully it does one more attempt up to the VWAP, rejects, and then I'll enter my put. I'm going to buy 4 contracts. One thing to note, each contract price, if you can see that, is multiplied by 100 because it represents buying 100 shares. So right now we're about to hit the pre-market low. Bro, I just need confirmation before I need to wait. I've done this so many times where I'm like, okay, it's for sure going down, and then I just get railed. Gotta be smart. One thing that I read that I loved is sometimes a mistrade is still a win. Fun fact. As much as I don't want to admit that, and I love winning, just because you missed a trade, it's not the end of the world. It's better than making a bad trade and losing money. Even though in my head at the moment, I'm pissed. Okay, so we're climbing back up. Rejection. Okay. rejection. Okay. Okay, we've entered 4 contracts. We are down as of this second. Entered at a bad time. I got excited because it re-entered the VWAP. Fuck. Well, let's see what happens. Reject. Reject. Keep going. Keep going. This is good. Okay. So we're up. Continued selling pressure. Need another rejection. We're going to sell right here. Okay. So our selling point is about right here. Just need it to go down slightly. And we will fill. And I'm going to take a dub on day 1. Go. Do it. Do it. Okay. So I probably should have stayed in. There wasn't any confirmation it was going to go the other way. See, I do this all the time. Even when I win, it's like I just get too nervous that it's going to reverse. All right, so you guys can see I made $71.66. We're looking at the chart. So it rejected off the pre-market low. And now price is probably going to continue to bounce back down. Learning moment, I'm not mad I made $71, but I definitely have a long way to go. I can probably just pissing away money. Bro. Like, I'm definitely grateful I made money. You know what I'm saying? But I just get so nervous about price. I entered at a good spot, and I just got nervous. I would be up a lot of money right now. I don't know. I guess I can't be mad. I made money. I guess this is the end of day 1. Go to our positions. All right, so day 1, we are up $71.66. Watching back, I just need to, my biggest problem that you guys will see if you follow along, again, is I get so nervous that I made a bad entry that I sell way before I need to. Way before. I get way too nervous. Granted, this is a pretty high volatility day, so I should be grateful for making money, obviously, because it could easily switch up. Like if we go, so price is consolidating right here again, I guess. I can't even make excuses. I sold way too early, and not much I can do about it now. So on that trade, let's see. We'll go to history. So we can see right here. Actually, I don't know if you can see. So, okay, I bought 4 puts at 74 cents each at, does it even say what time? At 8:53 a.m. Okay? At 8:55 a.m., I sold them at 92 cents, making me a profit of $71 in 2 minutes. So should I complain? No. Am I disappointed in my selling because of the market or the way the market headed? Yeah. I'm new. So the account is up 0.72%. Right now, though, I would be up a lot more. A lot more. All right. Whatever. That's it. So tomorrow's goal summed up into one: don't sell early, because I missed out on so much profit, dude. All right, well, I'm just gonna be raw with the results. A win's a win, I suppose.